She told me she was cashing it in the shop as well.
Okay.
I spoke to her on the phone.
While she was in the shop.
I spoke to her numerous times that day.
Where is the cheque? Anything of that kind? Did you bring a copy of the cheque?
How would I have a copy of the cheque if the cheque was sent to Hayley's address when I was not there?
I love it when you ask me questions. That's how this works.
This court can't make a judgment on who should be friends with whom. Based upon Ben's performance in court today and the way he presents to me, I'd personally rather be friends with a semi-emotionally literate lizard. That's entirely a matter for you, Chloe. Let me ask you a question. Do you think I'm not asking you anything because I need your help? Do you think I'm not asking you anything because I think that you're losing? Or do you think I'm not asking anything because I'm not interested in what you're saying? Or do you think I'm not asking you anything because of all of the above?
All of them, Judge.
All of the above. Well done. Hush, hush, stand still. Thank you.
The reason why I shouldn't have to pay for it is basically they made my life a misery living there. I had to move thanks to them getting onto my landlord and saying what had gone on. So
outrageous! Did you telephone the landlord after she'd flooded the business first time and said, I don't suppose you'd mind getting rid of the woman who lives upstairs. She keeps flooding my business. You monsters! Next complaint? And therefore, in the circumstances, you've got no legal recourse against Jane. And in any event, your claim isn't just stupid. It's the most stupid claim I've seen this year. It's the nadir of dim. In those circumstances, your claim is entirely dismissed. I'm not... did you say thank you? Well, that says everything.
The hole was not there at the beginning, sir. That's all I've got to say. He has reversed one of his vehicles in there and took the corner of the building. Not the... If you look at it, it's impossible for it...
Have you fixed it?
No, sir, because I've condemned the building.
You've condemned it?
Yes, it's...
What do you mean, you've stood in front of it and called it names?
No.
What's the best bit of it? Is there anything repeatable?
Let me think. Probably not, to be honest. It is quite an explicit track with her.
She-devil?
Yeah. You can figure it out, really, can't you? It's about women being she-devils, which is what they are.
You think that I'm going to sit here and you think we've got a common experience about women? How old were you when you went back to your parents' house?
21. Sorry, 31.
We all make that mistake from time to time. It's rather difficult, do you understand? I'm not sure whether to, you understand, award Gary money or to look in the yellow pages for an exorcist. Karen, Jane, I've heard some cases in my time. I've heard some cases which are perhaps a bit dim. I've heard some cases which are even rather stupid. This is... How do I describe this? I'll have a go. This is the nuclear-powered stupid! This is so stupid, it should come with its own stupid parade. Love paper. Yes?
So do I.
Do you as well?
Yes.
It's marvellous, isn't it? You can't have a relationship with it, but it doesn't lie to you, so it's 50-50.
Exactly.
What was the purpose of giving a false address? Did you think, perhaps in addition to the trauma, Lynn might have an amusing time trying to work out where you lived?
No.
A sort of upmarket game of A to Z hide and seek?
No.
I'm just trying to find an explanation that isn't stupid.
Compared to London, Amsterdam is a very beautiful place, visually.
Not just animals, nature.
Yeah,
grass.
nature. Our hotel was directly right outside the river, which was lovely.
Yes, I see that. The nature. Well, you certainly enjoyed the grass.
Yes.
Yeah.
Splendid. My grandmother hasn't sent you for any reason. Have you sort of changed my mind about something?
I suggested that we get a large penis tattooed on each other.